Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and I wanted to introduce the NGRAVE Bitcoin Milestone Gold Card, a commemorative card to commemorate the date that Bitcoin crossed the $100,000 mark. This is a testament to Bitcoin's resilience and long-term viability. It comes in a special combo pack of the NGRAVE Zero and Graphene backup system.
So you can see that they also sent me the screen protector, which is a nice little perk. So the box has a little magnetic seal on it. It's pretty nice. So their presentation is awesome. All right, so here's our NGRAVE Zero. This is the USB-C charging cable. This is the puncher for the graphene. You get this care guide. There aren't very many products left that actually give you instructions printed out. This is a beautiful box, and these are very high quality cards here, glossy, easy to read, right? It gives you a step-by-step, along with the user and care guide for the graphene. It doesn't really manage crypto like a wallet at all. This is simply a metal medium for storing your backup phrase, and a care guide for their Liquid app. Right, this is the public-facing part of the wallet. No crypto is stored in your phone. The phone is just an interface. Right, this is a completely air-gapped wallet. There's no cable connection, no Bluetooth, no NFC. No Wi-Fi, nothing, right? But you do need the app to interact with the wallet, right, via QR code. And here is that beautiful commemorative Bitcoin 100,000 card. I don't even want to take it out of the plastic. It's so beautiful. All right, so it's basically just a commemoration that Bitcoin crossed the $100,000 mark per coin on December 5th, 2024. So NGRAVE is including these cards in the combo pack. This is just a commemorative card. There's no Bitcoin in here, and it's not made of gold. I just wanted you, that's a disclaimer I wanted you to be aware of. But it's definitely a beautiful keepsake, a symbol of Bitcoin's long-term value and the resilience of the Bitcoin community. So this is the graphene metal medium for recording the seed phrase. I'm going to refer you to my setup video where I go through all this step by step. But if you're serious about your Bitcoin security, the engraved air-gapped wallet, the Zero, along with the graphene backup, is a total solution for the serious Bitcoin hodler. And getting this commemorative card is just icing on the cake.
This is the landing page to get your commemorative Bitcoin card along with a combo pack. I'll put a link to this down in the description if you're interested. And remember, I'm putting a link to my full setup videos in the corner there so that you can check those out if you would like to go through a step-by-step setup with me.